Alright, so I want to see how many ears of, not ears, but stalks of corn that I have in this one bed. Just this one bed. I had no idea I had that many. So let's start at this corner where the squash is. Okay, we starting here. And then we're going to go this way. So, alright, that's grass. Look like corn, but that's grass. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. This was 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You go around. That was 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Hey, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, big one's 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 40 stalks, it looks like, and whatever else may pop up. Something else may pop up. Nope, 41. The one right here. Okay, 41 corn in my little patch.